Chapter 1.2, Day 1, Solving Multi-Step Equations, Example 2. Solve 8x minus 6x minus 25 equals negative 35. Write the equation first. So you're going to rewrite the equation as 8x minus 6x minus 25 equals negative 35. Then you're going to combine the like terms. So the like terms are 8x minus 6x, and when you combine them, you're going to get 2x minus 25 equals negative 35. Now you're going to have the variable on one side and the numbers on the other side. So isolate the variable term. To do that, we are going to add 25 on both sides. You're going to get 2x equals negative 10, and when you divide with 2 on both sides, you're going to get x as negative 5. So x as negative 5 is your answer. So now you try problem number 2 is solve for x. So it means that you're going to isolate this term from 9. So you're going to do the opposite operation to remove 9 from this side. To remove 9, you're going to do add 9 on both sides, because that's the opposite operation of subtraction. So 1 over 2 x will be equals negative 25 plus 9 would be negative 16. Now you're going to remove the 2. To remove the 2 from the bottom or from the division, you're going to multiply the 2 on both sides. Then x will be by itself, and then negative 16 times 2 would be negative 32. For number 3, first you're going to combine the like terms, and that's going to give you negative 12n plus 17 equals 41. Isolate the variable. So this is a variable term. So subtract 17 both sides. When you subtract 17 on both sides, this 17 and this 17 cancel. The negative 12n will be isolated. Other side will be 24. So for 41 minus 17 would be 24. Now to get the n by itself, you're going to divide with negative 12 on both sides. Then n would be equals negative 2.